15 clever ways to use leftover wallpaper around your home. Wallpaper may be meant for walls, but it's incredibly versatile, adding charm and functionality in unexpected places. Here are some fun and practical alternative uses for wallpaper that'll have you reaching for those leftover rolls and scraps. Number 1. Drawer liners. Transform your boring drawers into something fabulous. Simply cut wallpaper to size and line your drawers. Not only does it look great, but it also protects the drawer surfaces. Plus, every time you pull open that drawer, it's like a little pop-up surprise. Number 2. Bookshelf backdrops. Bring life to your bookshelves by using wallpaper as a backdrop. It's easy to install and completely changes the look of any shelf, whether it's open or behind glass. Try a bold print for a dramatic flair or a subtle pattern for just a hint of texture. Number 3. Framed artwork. Who says wallpaper can't be art? Pick out sections of a beautiful design, frame them, and hang them up. This is an affordable and simple way to create custom artwork that matches your decor. You could even create a gallery wall with various wallpaper patterns for an eclectic look. Number 4. Tabletop makeover. Refresh an old or scratched tabletop with wallpaper. You can apply it directly to the surface, then top it with a layer of clear varnish or glass to protect it from spills and scratches. It's a quick way to revamp a side table, coffee table, or even your dining table. Number 5. Pretty plant pots. Give your plant pots a makeover by wrapping them in wallpaper. All you need is a bit of wallpaper adhesive and a steady hand. It's a wonderful way to coordinate your plant decor with the rest of your room. Number 6. Light switch covers. This one is a small change with a big impact. Use wallpaper scraps to cover light switch plates or outlet covers. Just cut the size, paste, and enjoy the subtle touch of design that brings a bit of fun to otherwise plain switch plates. Number 7. Inside cabinet doors. Add a bit of character to your kitchen or bathroom by applying wallpaper to the inside of cabinet doors. It's a delightful surprise every time you open a door, and you can even use it to make a handy reminder board by sticking notes with removable tape. Number 8. Gift wrapping. Leftover wallpaper can make beautiful, unique gift wrap. It's thicker than regular wrapping paper, so it holds its shape well and looks extra fancy. Plus, it's a great way to make your gift look special and reduce waste by using what you already have. Number 9. Cover a headboard. If your headboard needs a facelift, wallpaper is an easy solution. You can apply it directly to the headboard or create a removable panel with foam core board for an easy swap out. It's especially great for rental spaces where you want a touch of personality without making permanent changes. Number 10. Accent on furniture legs or edges. Have you ever thought about wallpapering the edge or leg of furniture? It's a subtle but stylish way to add color and pattern without going overboard. Think of it like adding a fun sock to a simple outfit. Number 11. Revamp old file cabinets. An old metal file cabinet can get a stylish revival with wallpaper. Just apply it to the drawer fronts for a quick upgrade that brings color to your office. It's functional, fun, and makes filing less of a chore. Number 12. Wall decals for kids' rooms. If you have wallpaper scraps with fun patterns or characters, Cut out shapes or designs and use them as decals on walls or furniture in children's rooms. It's an affordable and temporary way to add whimsy to their space. Number 13, crafting and do-it-yourself projects. Wallpaper scraps are a crafter's best friend. Use them to decorate journals, make bookmarks, or even cover the cover of photo albums. These little do-it-yourself projects make for great personalized gifts or fun weekend activities. Number 14, renew old trays. Take an old or dull serving tray, line the bottom with wallpaper, and seal it with a waterproof top coat, like resin or Mod Podge. It's practical, beautiful, and elevates any snack or drink presentation. Number 15, picture frame mats. For a more sophisticated touch, use wallpaper as a mat around framed photos or artwork. It can add just the right amount of color and texture to enhance the image without overwhelming it. Wallpaper might have been designed for walls, but with these clever tricks, it can go far beyond. From practical uses to decorative twists, wallpaper proves that a little creativity can transform even the most unexpected items in your home. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember to pull out those leftover wallpaper rolls and get crafting. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.